Most eBay sellers just guess what to sell and then they fail because of it. You need data. And today I'm going to be showing you Zikanalytics and how it gives you the data to sell something that's good. Just like right here, it's showing us a unique product that has 19 sold in the last 24 hours, selling for $74.99. And you know, on eBay, a lot of the times it's hard to sell a high product price above $50 because everybody's trying to get a deal. But not this time. It really depends on the product. And what we did is we used Zikanalytics to find these types of products. The good thing about Zikanalytics is you can give them a competitor, just a store name on eBay, and it pulls all of their products, tells you how much money they're making, and a lot more data that you can see. It's going to pull eBay's official API data and then pull it into their tool. So that way you get update accurate information right from the get. Now you can click sign in right here and sign in. There is a discount in the description if you are interested long-term purchasing this product, but always start with a trial before you purchase. Now, once you get in, you're going to see a lot of different things. Now, if you're a trendy person, you want to look at the trends, it's got the past 7-day trends on eBay. Most importantly, it's got that 30-day trend analysis where we can see what are people buying the most in the last 30 days. And not only are they buying Christmas lights, obviously, but they're buying dog pad wee wee. This is what they're typing in. Men's gold chain, genuine leather men's belt, foot massage back massage. This is legit. This is men's card holder, screwdrivers, nut drivers. I don't even know what this is. I'm going to open this up and then we're going to see what that is. Outdoor Christmas lights, 100,000, Bluetooth. Great way to see what's selling and what's not selling at the end of the day. And if we look into this, we can see the sell-through rate of this screwdriver set. I think this is going to be like a Christmas gift because at the time of this video, it's almost Christmas. And we can see the demand and we can see the big spike towards the holiday season, right? We can also see the different types of sellers over here. And we can actually see what they're selling, how much they're selling. So we can copy this and then we're going to come back and do a reverse analysis. But first, I want to show you what products are showing. So right from the get, it's showing us the best sellers in the last 30 days. And the first one is going to be the 37-piece impact screwdriver set. Makes a great gift for your dad back at home. And we got 30 sales. In the last 30 days, we got 200 sales. And of course, we want to double check to see if it's accurate. So we're going to open it in a new tab. And there we go, in 75 carts, 522 sold. They're selling for a great price at $12.89 of doing free shipping. It's very hard to beat these types of sellers that are giving such a good deal. They are really kind of just making $1 per sale, but something's better than nothing. We can also filter it by like higher selling products. Like this one's selling for 80 bucks a pop, and they made 7 sales in the last 24 hours. So if you could sell an item that's more similar to this, what's got a zap gun? What is this? Oh, no. Oh, wow. It's okay. I like that. That's awesome. So it's very precise. So this is a precision screwdriver that comes with it. Very nice. 107 sold. Again, makes another great gift for your friends, families, dads. Great item. And we can look further into the tool. So what we're going to do is that cool toolkit right here. I'm going to go all the way to the left and it says best deal tools. That's their seller name. And we can do analyze competitor and it's going to show us the exact products that the competitor is selling. Let's go down. And of course their best seller is the one that we just looked at, but this is their number 2 bestseller, their number 3 bestseller, and their number 4 bestseller. And we can open those up in real time. So 7 sold in the last 24 hours, which is a rotary tool. And again, another great deal on these items. You could start your own shop with these. Metal detector. Hey, this is funny. Very cute. 1,235 sold. I mean, they're making a lot of money off all these products. And yes, we can see how much money they're making as of right now per year. And it's like $78,000 in revenue, which doesn't sound like that much, but they may have just started their game since just the holiday season. This might be where all of their products finally came in, or they could be a newer seller and we're kind of just coming back into it. And you can see how much sales they're getting in the last altogether This one made 30 grand. This one made 8 grand. It looks like these products are a little bit newer, but it's good to see. Yep, this one launched in 2025. 2025, 2025. This one launched in October. So they're coming back into the game. They slowed down, but they're back now. A lot of these products have been uploaded in 2025. So this is where the money's at. You definitely want to look into that and look at their sell through, active listings, their total revenue, and then double down from there. Now, this product research tool, I just showed you some high profit products. What you can do is copy them, go to Alibaba, look at different manufacturers in the USA to see how much they cost. And a lot of the times they are 50% or even more cheaper to buy them from China, get them over here, and then you ship them yourself. And that's what a lot of these sell, especially this one, I know for a fact. These are like practically all from China, but they're making a significant amount of money. They're getting them for dirt cheap, probably getting them shipped via sea. So that way the shipping cost is very cheap from China to the US, and then reselling them on eBay. And there's not that many competitors, especially during the holiday season. Most of them are sold out by now. But that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, I recommend dropping a like. And if you are an eBay seller, subscribe to the channel because we're giving you away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, finding new products, or just managing your eBay account, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We do full account management where we're going to come in, we're going to optimize your listings, look at your top competitors, find you new products to sell, and make sure you make money long term on eBay. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.